Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got out of work and I'm actually training this week, so I made my own schedule. So I'm working 7:30 to 2:30 and I'm up early. First of all, introduce yourself, girl. So if you're new here, my name is Jackie and I love to do hauls, makeup tutorials, fashion inspo, little home decor, car vlogs, come shop with me kind of thing. If that's something that you'd be interested in, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button, join the family. So like I was saying, I had training this week and I wanted to go to Burlington. So I'm at Burlington because I haven't been here in a minute, and I've been seeing a lot of people doing some hauls that look very interesting to me. So I was like, let me just see what they got. I feel like I'm a little far. I just want to see what they got. My sister's redoing the apartment. She had it painted. They just painted the whole apartment. She got a new bed. She's getting a new sofa. She took some stuff off the walls and stuff. So I want to see what kind of stuff they got that I can show her that I didn't really see in her Burlington. But I also want to see like what they got as far as like clearance. Just see what they got, because I haven't been here in a minute, and I've been to the one in the city, but I feel like I haven't been to this one in a minute. So This is pretty. Pretty too. I like this one. Well, I was gonna get those palettes, but I don't know. I don't think I was in the mood for makeup today. I did end up picking up a pair of Nikes, and they were $43.99, but they had like a little dirt on the rubber and on the white part. I don't know if I showed you guys. So they're these, and I like them for the summer. So they look like this, and you can see they've got like some dirt, but she ended up giving me 10% off. And my husband's really good at like brushing the sneakers and getting dirt out, so I'm gonna ask him to wipe them down for me. So it ended up coming out to like 38 something. So I was like, fine, you know, I'll take them. You know, you rarely see Nikes in Burlington. Like, I feel like they have a lot of Pumas and like other brands. So when I saw them, I was like, you know, I had seen a pair like that when I went to the outlet, but they wanted $89, and it had like some scuff, and it was one of the ones that said refurbished. So I was kind of like, nah, I don't want that. Actually, I was gonna jump on the highway, but do you see this line? I'm gonna just keep going. So I was like, no. But now that I saw those, I was like, you know what, they're very similar to what I had seen that I wanted. So I'm gonna go with that. And you know, it'll be nice for the summer, and it'll be nice in the spring. Now I don't need another pair of sneakers, but I like these. I like the color wave on it. You know, it's like that mint spring kind of lime. So I picked up that and a gray bra, which was $3.99. I didn't really see much. I was like, and you know how you keep going around and around trying to see if you'll see something, and I was like, no. So I'm heading home. I got an alert that I got 2 Temu packages coming in today. One is already delivered. The other one, it says it's scheduled to arrive at 9 p.m. So I think I'm gonna go home and film the Temu haul. I might leave this for another day because I got a couple of things at TJ Maxx that I think I'll do like a separate haul for. And because it was only 2 items, one, I'm not gonna really consider the bra part of the haul, but I like the sneakers. So so I hope you guys enjoyed going to Burlington with me. I haven't been there in a minute to this one, and I didn't really see much. I'm gonna include the footage of in the store kind of thing. Might be a voiceover because the music was loud, and you could hear like the kids screaming and the moms and all that. So if you're new and you made it to the end, please consider hitting that subscribe button, joining the family. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back, and I will see you in my next video, which for sure is another Temu haul. Bye.